Welcome to this beginner's guide to the stock market. If you've ever wondered how people invest in stocks, grow their wealth, or even what the stock market actually is, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the basics and how you can get started on your investing journey. So, let's dive in. Rocket, what is the stock market? The stock market is a place where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. Think of it as a giant marketplace, like a supermarket where instead of groceries, you buy small pieces of companies. When you own shares in a company, you become a part owner or a shareholder. Imagine owning a tiny portion of Apple, Tesla, or Google. Sounds exciting, right? Starstruck, but why do companies list their shares? Check mark to raise money for expansion, research, and innovation. Check mark to attract investors who believe in their future growth. And why do investors buy shares? Check mark because they expect the company to grow, which increases the stock price over time. Check mark, some companies pay dividends, which means you earn passive income just by holding their stock. The stock market isn't just a place to buy and sell, it's a wealth building tool for those who understand how to use it. How does the stock market work? The stock market operates through exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ. These platforms act as middlemen, ensuring that trades happen fairly and securely. But how do stock prices change? Thinking fast, stock prices fluctuate every second based on push-pin supply and demand. More buyers push prices up. More sellers push prices down. Push-pin company performance, profitable companies attract more investors. Push-pin economic conditions, inflation, interest rates, and government policies impact stocks. Push-pin investor sentiment, market trends and psychology play a huge role. How do you make money in stocks? Check mark capital gains, when you buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. For example, you buy a stock at $50 and it rises to $100. That's a 100% profit. Rocket, check mark dividends, some companies share profits with shareholders. If you own 100 shares of a company that pays $2 per share in dividends, you earn $200 per year, without selling anything. This is why long-term investing is so powerful. Upward trend, light bulb types of stocks, not all stocks are the same. Let's break them down. Check mark blue chip stocks, large, stable companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola. They are low risk but offer steady returns. Check mark mid-cap stocks, medium-sized companies with growth potential, offering a balance between risk and reward. Check mark small-cap stocks, smaller companies with high growth potential, but they carry higher risk. Check mark growth stocks, companies that reinvest their profits to expand, like Amazon and Tesla. These stocks don't pay dividends, but they can grow significantly over time. Check mark dividend stocks, companies that pay regular income to investors. If you want passive income, these are great choices. Each type has its own risks and rewards, so diversification is key. Light bulb, how to start investing? If you are a beginner, don't worry. Follow these steps to get started. Pushpin step 1, learn the basics. Before investing, you must understand key terms like stocks, shares, market cap, P/E ratio, and dividends. Pushpin step 2, choose a brokerage. A brokerage account lets you buy and sell stocks. Popular options include Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, great for beginners. Pushpin step 3, set a budget. Start small and invest only what you can afford to lose. Never invest all your savings in stocks. Pushpin step 4, research stocks. Look at a company's financial health, growth potential, and industry trends. Don't blindly follow stock tips. Pushpin step 5, diversify. Never put all your money in one stock. Spread your investments across different sectors like technology, healthcare, and finance. Pushpin step 6, invest for the long term. Short-term trading is risky. Patience and consistency bring the best results in the stock market. Even legendary investors like Warren Buffett believe in long-term investing. Trophy, common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners lose money due to avoidable mistakes. Here's what you must avoid. Revolving light investing without research, always analyze a company's performance before investing. Don't rely on rumors. Revolving light, trying to time the market, no one can predict stock market highs and lows. Stay consistent instead. Revolving light, putting all money in one stock, this is risky. Diversify your portfolio. Revolving light, letting emotions control decisions, fear and greed lead to bad choices. Follow a strategy instead. Smart investing is about logic, not emotions. The key to stock market success. The stock market is a powerful tool for building wealth, but success requires checkmark patience. The market rewards long-term investors. Checkmark research. Knowledge is your best investment. Checkmark discipline. Stick to your plan and ignore short-term noise. Remember, even the world's best investors started small. So, start your journey today. Rocket light bulb. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips.